Assalamualaikum. Today my speech about role of student in nation building. Prospective jobs, teachers, and friends. Assalamualaikum. When people talk about nation building, they have to mention qualification, armies and economies. But they forget what are the most powerful force in any country student. Yes, sir. Today I speak on the role of student in nation building, and I begin with this bold statement: no nation can rise without the rise of its student. Students are the soul of society. We are future leaders, thinkers, scientists, and builders. If your minds are sharp, our nation will shine. If your hearts are pure, our society will thrive. But what does nation building really mean? It means building a country that is safe, strong, educated, fair and proud, and students can contribute to each of these goals. In Pakistan, students played a vital role in independence movement. Today, our responsibility is not as we must lead again. Let's not wait for change. Let's change. Study hard, speak wisely, act bravely. If every student in Pakistan promise to do one good thing for country every day, President will transform. We are not just students, we are nation builders, and the time to build is now. Pakistan.